Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Knowledge and I'll be helping you guys with financial accounting and accounting, grade 12 financial accounting. Grade 12 accounting and first year financial accounting, guys. So today we'll be doing impairment loss and reversal of impairment loss. So guys, we have a question here. I just tried to type it here on my Excel sheet. So the question says refer to information C. But basically, before we can go to the question, let's read a scenario that we are given here. This is the scenario. It says that assume all amounts are inclusive of VAT, unless stated otherwise. Mr. Knowledge is the owner of King K Ltd, a company which produces and sells widgets, right? As a King K has been operating successfully for a number of years, and then King K has a 31st December year end. The following information was presented to you. Okay, we have three assets. We have machine A, we have machine B, and machine C. Let's then go to our required. Required says refer to information C. I didn't put out all the information that was given here. I only took information C, right? So information C says on the 31st December 2019, there were indicators of impairment on machine B, right? At the 31st December 2019, right? The fair value less the cost to sell amounted to 510. This was excluding VAT. It says exclusive of VAT, right? And the present value of cash flows amounted to 520,000. This one was also exclusive of VAT. At the 31st December 2020, the indicators of impairment were reversed, right? So in this question, we're going to calculate the impairment losses, and again, we calculate the reversal of impairment or impairment reversal. The impairment were reversed. At that date, the fair value less cost to sell amounted to 485,000, which is exclusive of VAT, and the present value of cash flow amounted to 480,000 exclusive of VAT. So let's go to our information. They are talking about machine B. Machine B had a cost of 740,000, which was exclusive of VAT, and a residual value of 150,000 exclusive of VAT. This machine was purchased on the 1st of May 2017 and was available for use on the 1st May 2017. Remember that we only start depreciation and asset when it's available or ready for use, right? But not when the business started using it. Whenever the asset is ready and available for use, we start depreciating. We start depreciating, right? So I think I also forgot to write as a very important information here about the depreciation methods. Okay, let me write here depreciation method. So the depreciation method that we had in this, yeah, I think the important information I've left here was the depreciation method, right? So I'm just gonna put it here very fast. Okay, which was information E. It says that all machines are depreciated over a useful life of 10 years to its residual value, right? You know what is the residual value? The residual value is the amount that an asset can be sold after its useful life. So, firstly, when we do impairment, we need to calculate our depreciation, right? We have a year end of 31st December, right? The question did say that. So they bought this asset on the 1st of May. So that is when we start going to depreciate. We start depreciating our machine B on the 1st of May. So let's calculate our depreciation. Depreciation at 31st. Depreciation at 31st December 2017, right? So we have an amount of 740,000. This 740,000, it's our cost. You can see that it's 740,000. And we have a residual value of what? 150,000. We're going to subtract our residual value of 150,000. And then we're going to have how much? 740,000 minus 150,000. We get 590,000, right? We get 590,000. This 590,000 is the depreciable amount. Hey, score guys, don't mind me. It's the depreciable amount. It's the amount that we can depreciate, right? Because we cannot depreciate our residual value. That is the amount that we are going to sell our asset for, right? So now we're going to take our 590,000. We're going to divide it by 10. Remember that it says that all machines are depreciated over a useful life of 10 years to its residual value. We're going to divide it by 10, and then we start counting our months from May to see how many months did we have the asset. It's May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It's 7 months, right? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It's 8 months, right? I think I calculated well. It's 8 months, and we multiply by 8, we divide it by 12. That would be our depreciation. So if you take this amount, you divide it by 10, you multiply by 8, divided by 12, you're going to have what? 39,000. 39,333, so you're going to round it to the nearest 100, which is going to be 39,333. Okay, so now remember they said the year was 2019, so we're now going to have 31st December 31st December 2018. 31st December, we're just going to take our depreciable amount, and then we divide by 10 because the asset has depreciated for the entire year, right? And then you divide it by 10, you're gonna get 59,000, right? And then we're going to go to December, uh, yeah, 31st December 2019. 21st December 2019, remember that is where we had the impairment. The depreciation amount is going to be the same. It's going to be 59,000, right? When we get here, we're going to calculate our carrying value. Carrying value. What is the carrying value? Carrying value is the cost price minus accumulated depreciation. And our cost price is what? 740,000. Our accumulated depreciation is the sum of all depreciations that we had from we had all this while, right? We're going to subtract 39,333. We're going to subtract 59,000. We're going to subtract another 59,000, right? So if you press your calculator and say 49,000 subtract 39,333 minus 59,000 minus another 59,000, you're going to get 582,667, right? This is your carrying value. But when you come to information, C, it says that there were indicators of impairment on the 31st December 2019. The fair value less the cost to sell was 520. And then the present value of cash flow amounted to 120. Remember, when we do the impairment, we take the bigger amount of these, right? And then we impair to it, right? This is called the recoverable amount. So if you want to recover something, you can't take the smaller one, you're going to take the bigger one, right? So we are going to take the amount of 580,000. So meaning that our impairment loss, our impairment loss would be 582,667 minus 520,000, right? Minus 520,000, because they said it's exclusive of that. We're gonna get 62,667, right? So we're not done. They said in the following year, those indicators of impairment were to be reversed, right? So meaning that we have the new carrying value. What is our new carrying value? Our new carrying value now, our new carrying value would be 520,000. Remember, after we do impairment, we need to determine the remaining period, of the item of PPE, of an asset, right? The remaining period. So remember that they said that the machine has a useful life of 10 years. So if you say 10, you multiply by 12, you're gonna get is it 120? Yes, 120. Remember that for the first month we depreciated our asset for 8 months. You're going to subtract 8. Second month was 12 months, subtract 12. The third month was 12 months again. You subtract 12. And then what is the remaining? You say 120 minus 8 minus 12 minus 12. You're going to get 88. So meaning that 88 is the remaining period, right? So now we are in December, 31st December 2020. So depreciation in the 31st December 2020 would be 520,000 minus the residual value. Please don't forget to subtract the residual value, right? You subtract the residual value because remember when we were determining the new current value, we included our residual value. You subtract the residual value now, and then if you say 520,000 minus the residual value of 150,000, you get 370,000. And then you multiply this amount by 12, you divide by the remaining period of 88. And then how much do you get? Multiply by 12 divided by 88. I get 50,445. It's 50,454,5. You're gonna round it off. It's going to be 55, right? So this is your, then you're going to determine your new carrying value after impairment. Your new carrying value after impairment. As I know it's a long calculation, but you just need to understand the new carrying value after impairment. So how are you going to get that amount? Simply going to say 520,000. You subtract 50,455, right? 1, 2, 3 minus 50,455, and then you're going to get it's equals to 469,545, right? That is your new carrying value after impairment. And then you're going to also calculate your historical carrying value. What is your historical carrying value? The historical carrying value is actually the amount, the carrying amount that would have been if we didn't have impairment, right? So remember that our depreciation was still going to be the same as 59,000, right? So you are basically going to take your carrying value here, which was a 582,600. You subtract 59,000, you're going to get, you say 582,667, then you subtract 59,000, you're going to get 523,667, right? Remember that your when you are reversing the impairment, it is limited to the historical value, right? So in this case, our new carrying amount is low. So this means we are going to use this carrying amount to reverse the impairment, right? So you're gonna come here and then you write the reversal of impairment. The reversal of impairment. The reversal of impairment would be, you say, fund. Okay, firstly you're gonna come to this side. What you are given, what amount are you given? This is that these indicators need to be reversed at that date, which is the 31st December 2020, right? And then the fair value less the cost to sell amounted to 485,500. So, and then remember, even here we take the bigger one. The bigger one is the fair value to sell, right? We're going to take 485. So now to calculate our reversal of impairment, we're going to say 485,000. We're going to subtract 469,545, and then we're gonna get 485,000 minus 469,545. We're gonna get 15,450. Oh, 15,455. So that is how, guys, we do the reversal of impairment, right? That is how we do the reversal of impairment, guys. So guys, please don't judge me. This is my first video, guys. So hopefully when I keep on doing more videos, I'll improve there and there. And guys, I don't know which questions to do or which chapter to do, so I just chose to do impairment. I don't know why, because it's simple, maybe. So but if you have any question you have any question that you do not understand and you'd like me to help, and that I would be able to help, just drop your comment, and then you will find the question, guys. And please, guys, I'll do the question for you, right? And please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Good, I appreciate you guys. So now we have reached the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much.